what do you eat?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yeah, mate.
Excuse me.
Just look at this, ladies and gentlemen, over here, the tractor compound on the main road. He's having a run of honour. He's called his 50 tail. We are going to check. It would be in a world record, but we are certainly going to check.